Hey there mga my loves, Cancer! Thank you so much for always being here with me in the channel, babes. So bago po tayo magsimula ng content pala natin na sulamin natin yung mga pagbabago at mga biyaya na paparating sa inyo, Cancer. So before we start then, no, let me just greet muna ang lahat ng hi and hello there, guys! So hi and hello sa mga new subscribers. Sana magstay din kayo dito together with me pabalik-balik ng mga viewers. Thank you po sa inyong walang sawang suporta. At kung hindi niyo pa po alam, mayroon pa po tayong isa pang channel. Ang link po niyan no, ay nasa ating description box. Kaya kung interesado rin kayo na tumambay dyan, meron din po tayong daily collective readings dyan. So yan, sa mga nandiyan na, thank you po ng marami. Basta, just take only what resonates. Okay? Timeless din po yung mga readings dyan. So, okay, bago tayo mag-start, alam niyo naman wala tayo ritong gender, wala rin po tayo ritong age, wala rin po tayo ritong time period, at walang size difference, wala rin ditong height difference, no? Wala rin gender, no? So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo, welcome. Kung may cross-watchers ni Cancer, welcome din po kayo mga babes. Pwede niyo naman pong pagpalit-palitin yung roles kung gusto niyo since this is general reading. And lahat kayo at the end of the day, meron kayong free will na palagi ninyong malayang pwedeng gamitin. So, let us see. Archangel Michael, together with the angels and guides and ancestors of Cancer, thank you so much for being present as always sa aming mga reading. And can we get messages about the mga pagbabago at mga biyayang paparating kay Cancer? Can you please show me? What are these blessings and changes coming towards Cancer's way? Can you please show me? Changes and blessings for Cancerian people. This reading is intended for Cancer. Kung may Cancer sa natal or birth chart, you're also welcome here. Cross watchers, welcome rin. Just take how this resonates. Changes and blessings. Cancer. Okay. Let's go ahead. Find out what are these messages. We have here the Star. Wow. We also have here this Eight of Cups. And dito din, Two of Wands. Chariot, present din. I love it. Tower. Eight of Coins. Bottom of the deck here for you, Cancer. Two of Swords. Nine of Cups. You could be doubting your wish. Ano mang wish yan. Iba-iba naman ang hiling ng ating puso. Pwede may kinalaman sa love life mo. Pwede rin naman na may kinalaman sa career mo or sa iyo ritong hanap buhay, negosyo mo. Pwede rin naman may kinalaman sa iyong personal life. Pero pwedeng marami kang wish ng sabay-sabay. Pero mukhang you're doubting your wish. Do not doubt your wish, honey, because your wish is coming true. Mangyayari yan, no? So, don't guard yourself and don't think negative thoughts dito, no? So, ang kailangan mong gawin is open your arms and receive this. Because Cancer, ano man yung wish mo rito, no? I'm seeing na may mga matatanggap kang mga wini-wish mo. It might not be sabay-sabay, pero when I say mga, alam naman natin na sa ating Filipino classes, ang mga ay indikasyon ng higit sa isa. Ibig sabihin, marami. So, ibig sabihin, maaring dalawa sa wish mo, tatlo sa wishes mo, ang matutupad dito. Okay? Importante dito, no, na maging open ka to receive instead of hesitating and contemplating if matutupad ba ang mga wishes mo. Okay? So, nakita ko dito that with the Star card energy, Chariot card right here, isa sa mga blessings na paparating sa life mo is meron ako dito nakikitang ambisyon kung saan magtutuloy-tuloy ito, no? Kung pangarap mo ito or maging ganito, mangyayari ito, no? So, maaaring may ambisyon ka, gusto mo maging doktor, magaling na manunulat, or makilala yung gawa mo dito, no? Whatever that is, okay? Because I'm also getting fame. I'm also getting your success in your career, okay? In what you want to become, you know? Baka kayo to, no, na nag-aaral pa lang kayo, but you wanna be a doctor someday, okay? Baka kayo ito, no, na tapos na kayong mag-aral, pero nagma-master ka because you wanna be a professor, you wanna teach, okay? So, nakikita ko dito ano man yan, as long as you're pushing your goal and you're doing something, taking action, then yung pagtuloy-tuloy na yan, ituloy-tuloy mo lang yan kasi tuloy-tuloy ka din sa tagumpay. You will become what you want to become. Fill up your own vessel, honey, and take actions related to what you want to happen in your life. Others, nakikita ko dito yung love life sa inyo. No? Meron tayong nakikita rito na paparating na person na hinihiling mong siya, like a specific person, na hinihiling mo tong specific person na to. When we say specific person, you definitely know who I'm talking about. Alam mo yung pangalan niya, alam mo kung saan siya nakatira, alam mo yung itsura niya, and you wish for that person to be your future spouse, then wow, okay? You will become that person's future spouse. Yan, no? So, makikita kung paparating siya papunta sa direksyon mo. Hinatak siya, no, ng hangin, no? Binuga ni universe nito ang hangin, no, para ma-redirect siya papunta sa iyong way. Wow! So for others, that's an ideal partner naman. Maybe you're not eyeing a specific person like wala ka naman rito specific na tinitingnan, but you have a specific characteristics, no? Nang gusto mong maging one true love mo, and that is the person coming in sa inyo. You're calling here your soulmate, and you're about to meet that person here one of these days. Kaya prepare yourself because the chariot is one of the fastest energy in the tarot, meaning to say you are about to meet the love of your life very, very soon, sweetie, and it might happen first to the second quarter of 2025. Yan. So, for the time being, prepare yourself, no? Not just your physical look, because you look so gorgeous already, honey. You look so handsome already. Okay? What you need to do is to prepare yourself into that amazing, beautiful love story. Okay? So, nakita ko rin dito, no, na isa sa mga challenge na kakaharapin mo pa lamang is there is someone here walking away from your life, pero ang dapat wag mong gawin is habulin, lalong wag na wag kang mag-beg or magmakaawa for that person to stay. Yan. So, nakita ko rito na maaaring meron ditong energy na umalis or aalis siya sa buhay mo, pero wag mo siyang pigilan. Kung sino man siya, baka yan yung partner mo rito, no, na nag-betrayed sa'yo. Kung sino man siya, baka siya yung person dito, no, na close kayo. Kung sino man siya, malapit siya sa'yo. Pero, your challenge with the tower energy, don't beg for that person to stay, and don't chase for that person to come back. Okay? Just let it happen. Okay? So, Lucian, paano naman yan? Kaya ako siguro siya hahabulin, kaya ako siguro siya dito papakiusapan na bumalik sa akin because I can't afford to lose that person here. Then let me tell you this. You can't afford to lose that person, but that person can afford to lose you. Isn't it an unfair para sa'yo? Do you want that kind of attention? Do you want that kind of connection? Kasi ako, Shiroyo, 절대 안 돼. Because I know what you deserve. Okay? So, I also want you to know that spirits are saying here that let that person go because there's someone here coming. mas deserving. Okay? If others were not talking about a person here, okay, then there's a good opportunity coming your way. Napapalitan, no? Replaceable, okay? At mas better pa nga. It could be related with money to others of you. It might be related with your personal life for others of you. It could be. Okay? So, maliban dyan, no blessings and changes na nakikita ko dito for you guys is meron ditong possible na madestino sa malayo or magtrabaho sa malayo. Maaring ikaw yung maging representative ng inyong company or maaring kayo ito na magtatayo kayo ng business sa isang location kung saan malayo. Pwedeng sa ibang bansa yung branch ng gusto ninyong tingnan. Go ahead. Be strong. Be confident. Kaya mo yan. Yung negosyo mo, lalo kung itatayo yun, yung branch sa ibang bansa, dudumugin yan ng customers. Your sales will go up, 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 and that will be the signal for your success. And if you do not have any business right here, but you are working and madidestino ka, ilalagay ka sa malayong lugar, then grab that opportunity, honey. Okay? Because Cancer, I'm seeing that you will be the chosen one at mag-upgrade, mag-a-accelerate dito ang iyong designation, position. No? So, magkakaroon rito ng upgrade sa iyo ritong position, title sa iyong work. Yan yung nakikita ko dito. No? Keep on working. No? Bakit ikaw yung mapipili right here? Simple lang. You're wearing an apron here. At lahat ng mga nag-i-apron ay maayos magtrabaho, 'di ba? Following the protocols, guidelines, and policies of the company. Maayos din mag-work and at the same time, you're also taking care of yourself. 'Di ba someone wearing an apron para hindi madumihan? An artist, no ay. I'm wearing apron. Okay? Kapag nagpipaint, nagko-color, okay, when I'm doing my artworks, I'm wearing my apron. Who else wears apron? The chefs, the cook. Why? Because para hindi madumihan yung damit nila. Para pag natalsikan sila ng food, diba? Hindi sila mag-worry. Para makapag-focus lang sila sa work nila, sa niluluto nila, 'di ba? Not worrying kung matatalsikan sila, no? Kasi pag hindi ka nag-wear ng apron and you're doing some kind of artwork, hati yung atensyon mo. Parang hindi mo mabibigay yung 101% ng iyo ritong hard work, no, dun sa pinipaint mo because naiisip mo, ay, dapat pala hindi ko masyadong iganon yung kamay ko kasi baka tumalsik sa damit ko yung paint. Yung color, baka mag-stain. Okay? O sa pagluluto, dapat pala ganito lang yung luto ko. Dapat, ay hindi pala ganyan. Yan, no? So, you're worried, di ba? But when you wear an apron, alam mo sa sarili mo that you're also protecting yourself. So, nakikita ko rito na hindi lang dito sarili mo yung naprotektahan mo. Naprotektahan mo rin dito yung future mo, no? And nakita ko rito na maganda yung naghihintay sa yung kaperahan, Cancer. Examples lang yung binigay ko sa inyo. Ibig sabihin, you are the chosen one because ikaw yung magaling sa trabaho mo at ikaw yung may pagpapahalaga sa trabaho mo. May pagmamahal sa yung ginagawa. So, yan. Isa rin sa mga nakikita ko dito, no, Cancer, no, na changes and blessings na paparating sa iyo is magugulat ka. Because someone here, no, na possible na matagal mo nang hinahanap, no, lalo na yung mga minawawalang kapamilya dyan, nakikita kong matatagpuan nyo na sila. Yeah, I know, that might not resonate, no, to each and every one of you, of course. Pero yun ay isang importanteng anunsyo na kailangan kong banggitin because kung sino man to, na posibleng nawala sa family ninyo, like literal na nawala, no? Pwedeng nung bata pa na nawala sa inyo, napahiwalay or whatever, no? Nakikita kong makababalik na siya ulit sa inyong feeling or sa family ninyo, no? Kaya naman, isa itong napaka magandang regalo, no? Ngayong Christmas season, no? Hindi galing kay Santa Claus, kundi galing kay universe or God. So, wow. Yeah, I know you will definitely get emotional right here because this is what you've been ever wanting all your life na maging buo kayo dito. Yan. So there's some kind of shocking, no? But yet surprising. At ang maganda rito, exciting, no? So nakita ko rito ng energy no, na maaring may exciting travel dito na mangyayari sa life mo pero maaring ito ay mangyari sa 2025. You know, 2025 pa. No, exciting ito bakit? Kasi wala kang gagastusin dito. This is either purely libre or kung meron ka mang gagastusin, grabe, sobrang konti lang ng gagastusin mo dito. Like, I don't know, maybe someone here gonna win some kind of a raffle at sagot na yung accommodation, food, and everything right here. Like, parang pocket money, sagot din nila, pero magdadala ka pa din ng sarili mo, no? So, wow! No? So, that might be one of the example here, but I'm seeing definitely strong travel. Yan, no? So, wow, ito yung mga nakita ko para sa iyo here, Cancer. Maraming salamat sa iyong oras at panahon na naganyan yan. Iwan ko sa inyo itong mga beautiful messages right here. And, sarang hiyo, love and light. Annyeong.